You got jaw pain, then you want to click it, click it, click it. So jaw pain, it could be called TMJ. Basically, this joint right here, it's like if you eat too much, if you talk too much, you eat like a steak, you eat something hard like nuts, and after a while, this jaw is like so painful, you don't even open your mouth. Maybe even creates a headache that goes to the side of your head, right? It's just super painful. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go look at your thumb. If you're gonna click your thumb, this joint right here actually corresponds to this joint right here. That's how the beauty of our body. So by finding a tender spot around this thumb joint and then push on it and then click your thumb like this and then open your mouth like this jaw pain will instantly relax and your muscles will just like melt, and then the pain will instantly start to reduce, right? So you want to use both thumbs. Don't be picky, right? So make sure you like this post and make sure you follow me here for more of these awesome tips.
I had pain in my face, and I was just looking at the pain going away. Trigeminal neuralgia is what it was called. The pain is gone. After the first treatment is when I really felt, the relief. And the next two treatments, I felt a whole lot better after that, but the first treatment was the one that really did it.
And one of the things I want to address today is jaw tension. And one thing that I've noticed so we do thermography scans. Let me show you a picture. We do thermography scans in our clinic, infrared thermography scans. And what I've been seeing is a lot of tension, a lot of inflammation within the TMJ joint. So the TMJ joint is basically this joint that allows you to open and talk and eat and so forth. And so this joint also gets inflamed when we tense and we stress. We tense up here. So let me use my little model. So when we tense up here in the neck, it pinches on the nerves that go to the joint. Now let me get my little pen so you can see. So it goes into this joint right here, okay? So this is your TMJ joint. And this, when it gets super inflamed, it can actually cause a lot of things. It can cause a nerve problem called trigeminal neuralgia. It could possibly pinch on that nerve, inflame that nerve, and cause basically trigeminal neuralgia is pain on these three branches. You have branch 1, branch 2, and branch 3 of nerves. Any of those inflamed, then you'll have immense stabbing, burning pain all over your face, right? It can cause Bell's palsy and so forth. So today we're going to stick with TMJ, okay, TMJ pain. So what can you do if you are clenching, you grind your teeth at night, you're clenching during the day, everything's so stressful, how can you relax this jaw instantly? So one of the things is that I'm going to teach you today is called quick relief acupressure, QRA acupressure. So basically it's the areas you can apply pressure to where we as an acupuncturist would apply the needles, the acupuncture pins, okay? So one of the ways that you can do is your elbows, okay? You want to find tender spots on your elbows and press really hard on your elbow. So it could be anywhere around this part. This part correlates to the jaw right here. So if I'm looking at my own elbow, I'm going to be pushing down on my elbow and finding different areas to find that really sensitive spot. Once you find that spot, dig in. And you can use a tool. You can use one of those massagers, or you can just use your thumb or your knuckle. You just want to dig in and you want to grind it around, okay? And while you're doing that, move your jaw. Like open your jaw, okay? Open your jaw, and that should actually instantly start to relax the muscles going in your jaw, okay? If it doesn't, then you haven't found the right spot. So you can go up a little because these muscles go up higher and a little lower, so it's around this whole area right here, right? So which means the elbow, it's about from here to here, okay? You want to just find some tender spots, and you can go inside too, okay? Go inside here to find the tender spots, okay? And remember, dig down and rotate it and then move your jaw at the same time. You should instantly feel the jaw start to relax, okay? Try this technique. We have many other acupressure techniques, but the elbows are one of the best places. Easy place for you to access, easy place for you to apply pressure, and it can instantly reduce your TMJ tension, okay? Those are the areas where we would use our quick relief acupuncture to place an acupuncture pin, and it would reduce the tension within 10 seconds. So give this a try at home. All right, guys, this is Jimmy Yen from Achieve Integrative Health. As always, remember, Everything in life is achievable. It's up to you to make it happen. Let's make stuff happen. Let's change the world. Let's first change ourselves before we think about changing our lives, right? We can't change the world without changing ourselves first. So change yourself first and achieve your goals first, right?